Dugsiga Sare ee Gabdhaha ee Moi Suba 68 arday oo qaadi karay qol ka samaysnaa catoosyo ayaa ku burburay dab haweenkii halkaasi ka kacay. Kadib markii uu dabka kacay, ardayda halkaa ku sugnaa ayaa qaylo dhaamiyay oo ayagoo arkaya dabka holiciisa.
I heard the noise from outside. I ran out to find out what was happening. Reaching the place, the fire darkly, the house had caught fire, and I could see it from through the window and the doors. All the doors were locked and the windows, and there was no student inside. So I actually mobilized people to bring the fire extinguishers. The attempt to use the fire extinguishers could not actually materialize, and we turned actually to use water. The community joined us, and we were able actually to put the fire down after a long struggle. Nothing was salvaged, and nobody was actually hurt. The dorm housed 68 students. The steps we are taking, we are actually going to meet and see what can be handled. Of course, we cannot actually start saying more because we didn't actually plan for that kind of eventuality, but we know that things will be well. When they come, we'll actually see how we can accommodate them. Whether it will actually force us to actually pick some mattresses so that they can actually sleep on other classes, because not all our classes are occupied. The challenge is actually the mattresses and the blankets, but the rooms can actually be available. With 100% transition, we don't have enough infrastructure. We're just actually going to struggle. I've not estimated. We worked the whole night here, and I've not exactly right now that we're going to sit to estimate. I cannot come with the exact amount.
Okay.
I received the report of fire, school dormitory fire, from the deputy principal, that the fire started at around 7:30 p.m. Now, as police, we rushed to the scene and established that the dormitory that is constructed of iron sheets and housing 68 students had completely been burned, and the property for the students completely burned. That is the books and their clothing. The students were not in the dormitory at the time of fire because the school had closed. So we suspect that the cause of fire could be an electric fault, which we are going to investigate. We are going to do forensic investigations by involving the experts, the fire experts and Kenya Power, so that we are able to establish the truth. So basically we are going to do investigations, which we have commenced. Yeah, we are yet to get them, but as we do the investigations, I know they shall give us their version of story as how they saw the fire.